Alright, so installing these Rally Armor mud flaps onto my Honda Civic Si. And it's pretty easy. A lot of people, what they do is take out the wheel, but you don't need to do all that. I'm gonna show you guys how to not take off the wheel. Step one, you get this little bracket that it comes with, and you gotta bend it to your instructions. So do not bend right here, because if you bend right here, you're gonna get a kink. That happens very, so don't bend there. So you, just a little bit, and check it. There you go, one-time wonder, ready. Okay, the trick to not having to take your wheel off is that you gotta put these two first. So you get these little clips that it comes with. One clip goes right here. And the other clip goes right here. That. Okay, you get your mud flap. Okay, I put the clips on backwards. This little nipple side goes on the side where your mud flap's not going. So this is your mud flap's going here, you put your nipple here. Wait, I actually had them on the right side. Okay. So there you go. You have your bracket. It's bent, and it should fit onto your mud flap like that. Okay. So then you get your screws that it comes with, which are gonna be. I'm missing one. Okay, so these are your screws. You put your washer. And this one. Tighten it on there. Oh fuck, wait. Get it kind of tight. And then you wanna. Have you seen the other screw? It looks like this one. Like that. Put it in your washer. Put it in there. And this one you do not want to tighten all the way. Just want to. You want to have wiggle room in this one. Make sure all your holes on line. And this one you want to tighten it. For this one you want to get it nice and snug. There you go. Now you come to here. My wheel's still on. I don't take it off. All right. So what you gotta do is make sure it's loose enough. Get it in your wheel right there, and then you want to get your bracket inside. Look for the holes. Oh yeah, this is gonna be. That's what. Okay, once you're inside your hole. Get a washer. Get your screw. Screwdriver. You put it through your hole. Tighten it. Oh. Okay, that one's in. This one. trick. So you see I have a screwdriver, and yeah, this wheel is messing me up. So what you need is, you need to get yourself a ratchet with a size 7 socket, and then you get a Phillips like this for a drill. Put it in there, and you're all set. Make sure it's tightening. So you have a mini screwdriver. See that? Get this, put it in here. Okay, so check it out. Check it out. Let me see my little invention.
What's this?
Yeah. No, the ratchet.
Ratchet? What's ratchet?
Alright, let me see. Okay, record me.
I am.
And if you're having trouble getting your screws in, you gotta come under the car how I am. Somebody pass me the phone. So you come under here. You see we're under the car. There's a mud flap. And you look under by where your catalytic is at. You look up. You see that screw right there? That right there, you wanna, that's the one you should have trouble with. So what you do is come under here and you move it around until you get it where you want it. You can get a better view how the brackets work. And that's it. Now squared away. Everything's level to the floor. I see this. Come on, more. Okay, it's level. And once that's done, all we do is get our little MacGyver tool. Put it in there and just tighten it. Just want to snug it up. There you go. Flap away now. I think I'm done. And we're done.
Now let's look.
The front ones, I already did them, but I'm just gonna give a quick explanation on how I did them real quick. It's fairly easy. You take off this screw, this, it's like a clip. You pop the clip off and that's trash. And then right here, you also have a clip back here that you pop off. It comes with two little inserts that you put one insert here and one over here. Put your two inserts. And then you just put in that spacer, washer. Put back your OEM screws, you put them back here. Put a screw that comes supplied in the kit here. This goes here, and you're set. And then all you do to access these is you turn your wheel the way that you want to, so you could have more space, you know. And that's it. Done.